Hi, everybody. I'm Linda Hardesty, Chief Analyst for Communications Technologies at Fierce Network, and I'm here today with Will Mitchell. He's founder and CEO of VETRO. Welcome, Will.
Hi, Linda. Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
We're just going to chat a little bit about the company today. So, my first question is, can you tell us about the origins of VETRO? Was there a specific moment that sparked the idea for the company, and when was that?
We are a product company, a software product company that emerged from a services business. So we were building mapping software. We were building mapping solutions under contract for others in the late 2000s and early teens and tens. We were doing work in the telecommunications arena, and we got a lot of exposure to the problem space of wireline mapping, specifically the need for fiber management, fiber documentation tooling that was not being met by the legacy offerings in the space. It was pretty basic. They were working in Google Earth and spreadsheets on the one hand, on the light end, or they had very, very heavy enterprise on-prem legacy tooling and systems on the high end. And there was an opportunity to do something innovative, something different, something just right in the middle. And that led us to forming VETRO and becoming a product company in 2017.
Does VETRO have a particular mission? And how does that mission translate into the day-to-day work of your team?
Yeah, we do. We have a vision statement that is visualizing a connected world, and that ties into our mission of building the best software to enable the operators who are building the networks that do connect people. Our platform is a highly visual data management solution, centered around mapping information of physical layer networks, of internet infrastructure. We make it actionable. We deliver an actionable operational inventory of the physical layer, if you will, and that visualization translates into a lot of eyeballs and a lot of consumption, decision making support. We have insights being derived through visualizations of complex data. We have complex process being really simplified and delivered surgically to the right hands and the right eyeballs in the right place and the right time.
Fiber broadband companies have worked with different mapping tools over the many years. How is VETRO challenging the status quo and disrupting this market?
This certainly is not a new thing to try and map a network. I go back 30 years in the GIS context, and what we saw in the space and discovered through interacting with network operators again was that they were kind of tied to a variety of tools that weren't quite right. They might be leveraging CAD and drafting and drawing approaches and tools to create records, to create as-builts. They might be leveraging very specialized tooling that is for use by specialists. What's changed now is that rather than take a horizontal or a generic solution, whether it's CAD, GIS, or some other engine, and try and chisel it and tailor it and bend it into a fiber context, we started from scratch. We started literally on a whiteboard, talking to customers and saying, if you could have anything you wanted in a fiber management solution, what would it look like? And we built from the ground up, and that resulted in something that I think is a much cleaner fit, much less baggage, much less overhead than what you might have in the bending of a horizontal system in.
Looking ahead, what are some of the biggest challenges and opportunities you see for VETRO in the next 5 to 10 years?
There are no shortage of challenges. We're working in an industry in transition. There's rapid deployment of new fiber networks. I would say in the fiber to the home side, The race is only halfway run. There's a lot of build going on, and that will continue for the next 5 to 10 years. But commercial and business fiber networks are once again experiencing heavy capital investment, due in no short part to the data center boom that's starting and coming. All the data center proliferation and construction requires a whole lot of fiber to connect them up and to connect point to point between places. Um, that's a new opportunity that we're addressing head on. These are all areas where we're investing in both innovation and automation.
Thank you so much, Will. It's been awesome chatting with you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you too.